Right through. More not Nicky, dog. You see me? More not Nicky right now, dog.
That piece and then criticize me. Every step and every move.
Hey, boy! YouTube, what on? Why pre, chop. Oh, nah, David. It's your boy Kim. There again with another epic bang. Yo, them dead mad in there. So, today's topic is me woulda want put a one knock on Jamaican YouTube couple woman. You see me? So me go want knock them, you see me? So you supposed to know how me do my thing. So me put the picture them over there, sir. You see me? Me go show you how me want knock. You go love it. You see me? You go love it. From you see the title, from you see the thumbnail, you don't know the pre I go. You don't know the pre I go, dog. You see me? Take us sick. And realize say yo, the last previous video me did do, people them love it and it have a buzz, dog. You see me? Bible teach comment on it and I say yo man, the video is sick. Alright guys, so leave a like, smash that subscribe button to be a part of the gang. You see me I say, it's your boy Kim and watch out. We are going to the video right now. Catch it, that's up on the far cliff. No argument. Alright, I wish for me captain. Give me a seat, they are me a stay.
What?
So much of them call the out there, me attractive. Hear me girl, woman don't leave me a stage.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Running in the church, care I reveal it. Come on, all the fact is the way you go, the good. So till all me a stage, you two wanna do it again, alright? So me a kick off the video right now. You see me? So I'm supposed to know. I feel like the man them a want cut off me after this. For the woman, yeah, I just want to put a one more like to put a one knock on them. You see me? Dog, me just them girl are just different, dog. You see me? Like, I know where man they get the woman are from, but them just different out of this world. Out of this world, brother. So watch it up. Please don't watch out the interview. Them not gonna love it. You see me? Kind of have a little explicit night and yeah, look how, you know them people take for them picture. You see me? Well nudity and things. I don't know. Just to show the public. But guess what? It don't really matter me still. I want to put a one knock on them. You see me? Feel like him and them, for them woman, I can cut off made. You get the message. So first person me have on the list right now, Kimba from Tishane and Kimba. Dog, gonna see how Kimba look though. Gonna see how Kimba have that sexy body there, that slim thick body there. Yeah man. More than that Kimba right now. No doubt. More than that Kimba right now for sure you. I put Kimba on a backers 24/7. Me I put Kimba on a backers. You see me? Right through me I put Kimba on a backers. Cause watch ya. Kimba sexy in that Kimba slim, but Kimba body just. You're not supposed to know the splash back. You're not supposed to know the splash juice. Yeah, as a Kimba body said. Backers. Yeah man. So Kimba one of them I want to put a one knock pan. You see me, guys? Yo, Kimba just different, brother. Kimba nice, dog. Tishane, I'm not Kimba right now, brother. I'm sorry about it. I'm put a one knock on Kimba right now, Tishane. You see me? Yo, so next panelist, me have Tavi Zoe. You're not supposed to know Tavi Zoe, right? RJ girlfriend. I'm knock she right now too. She's short, she's sexy. You see me? I'm knock she right now. Put a one knock on her and call you a day dog, you see me? Tavi Zoe, I'm knock Tavi Zoe right now. You see me? Have it on a back as 24/7. So roll the dice, roll it. Me must get 6. Yeah. Tavi Zoe, I'm gonna knock Tavi Zoe right now, guys. You see it. Tavi Zoe, big up yourself. I'm gonna knock you right now. You see me, RJ, me sorry. But if you can catch me with Tavi Zoe, me a kick in your face and say, brother, watch me. Me finish me have to do no. And then you can come right so you see me a knock Tavi Zoe. Yeah man, me da knock Tavi Zoe right now, people. You see me? Tavi Zoe just out of this world, dog. She's sexy and nice. You see me? So next panelist, me have Dali. Well, Dali not so bad still. If you do Dali a adult, Dali a big woman. But to my perspective, more than knock Dali. Me would not Dali still. Me would not Dali. You supposed to know Dali from Image and Dali, yeah. More than not Dali. Still, Dali not so bad. Dali a big woman, but would not her. If you do she have a shape, we are gone, but it's not gone. You see me? You know, go on, but it's a go on. But I'm not Dali right now. Hands down, but I'm not Dolly right now. Image me sorry, but I give Dolly one next baby on the side so you can take care of her. Is it me? Yeah. I give her next baby on the side so you can go and take care of two of them. Is it me? You mine one jacket and you mine a shirt. Is it me? I give Dolly one next baby on the side. Backers. Yeah man, so Dolly that fit for your backers right now. Yeah. Fit your nice echo backers. Yeah, so you know say yo, when you do it, yeah. Right, so yeah. Yeah. Dolly, I'm not knock right now. Sorry image, but I'm not Dolly right now. Yo, so next panelist, me have Nix. I'm supposed to know to your Nix. For your Nix, I'm supposed to know to your Nix. But I give Nix a nice 5-day backers without non-stop. So me stop, so me boss off, me go again. Non-stop, boss off, go again. Right through, guys. Right through, mother put a backers for Nix, dog. You see me? Girl, mama and papa style, the lizard lap, you see me, foot pan shoulder. My God, mother baka. Chano, mother knocker, dog. Swear. Nick sexy for you, dog. I don't know where man get the woman from about them sex no blouse and skirt in a youth. Yeah man, mother knock, Nicky. No, mother knock Nicks. Yeah, mother knock Nicks. You see me? You're supposed to know Nick sexy. You see Nicks. If when Nicks turn back with that, you're supposed to say everything people turn back like a peekaboo. Yes. So backers are good for her. You notice them pick the girl them can take them backers position there. Yeah, the one them out of this world. Yeah, the one that you supposed to pick them girl them know say yo can manage the backers position. Then now feel when time say yo backers, you see me? Then can manage any type of position. The slim thick girl them, and then girl them pick for them position there. You see me? Then girl them pick for them type of video. More than a car. Hands down more than a car. You see me? So next finalist, me have Chrissy. From Chrissy and Rosa. Yo, that girl is pretty, you know that? Boom. Everybody's supposed to know all of them people me I talk about. Except the people over there are foreign, probably don't know them still. But yeah, more than a Chrissy. More than a Chrissy. More than a Chrissy, dog. Chrissy Chung and Tiki, you know, brother. And Rosa, boy, Rosa, you're blessed, dog. You're blessed. Unless me can contact a blessing for you. Right now, I do it. I go all a week without stop, non-stop. Right through. Right through me again. Right through, dog. Right through. Non-stop backers, brother. You see me? Backers are my favorite position. So, as me say, me pick the best set of girl and I know say, yo, can manage the backers position, brother. You see me? So, you see Chrissy. I get Chrissy backers right now, dog. You see me? But I knock her. I don't say knock, but I fuck. Here some hardcore sex, mother girl. Yes. But you don't know. Next panelist, me have Nikki. Right, Nikki and Klein. Whoa. Nikki. Nikki? My God, man. Boy, Klein. I don't know what you do still, no dog, but your woman pretty youth. Your woman pretty. Tell you to climb more than that Nikki right now. Hands down. If you give me Nikki and say, take whatever you want from Nikki, I not take nothing more in the front. Don't knock it and give her back because I'm my woman. But I borrow her for a couple minutes. No, for a couple weeks straight. Just give her so water and juice. Build up back her energy and give her some food. You don't know. I not even make she escort you. I not even take her out of your house. No time. Right through. More than that Nikki, dog. You see me? More than that Nikki right now, dog. Boom, just speaking of Nikki right now, dog, I tell you. I feel it, dog. Yeah, man, they are mad man when they come on to them woman still, but you're not madder than me. You're not madder than me, a blouse and skirt. Me head sicker than Fiona. You hear that, Klein? So you don't know more than that Nikki right now. Hands down. You know, if man ain't free to come out and talk, but more than that Nikki right now. Hands down. Mother put a knock on Nikki, you see me? You see as all them cheeks they just curve on like a apple, like you know a foreign apple shape them, yes, say curve. So you know, so you know a beat that it just a bounce off, so you just hear this. When I hear that you say, yeah man, sex good, you come quick too, that's why good phone about off, you can go again, just drink some water, take a 5. Live in a hole like crab, one for install me key down in there and all that. Yeah! Live in a hole like crab, you see me, and install me key down in there and all that. You see, I put my key in that now come out and I'm ready to draw out the key there, you know. Yeah, man, when time put my key in that door damn there, that door knob there, that now come out and tell me the fridge down the key there, draw the key there for the door damn there. So I don't start right through me and knock it right through. Until me bust off again, me just work with the flow, build up my energy. One more time finish again, you see me right through. Yes, so last but not least, Ken. You're supposed to do a Ken Faji and Ken tag. Yo, Ken sexy na dog, even though Nicky say Ken, but Ken sexy na dog. Oh Lord. No, man. Gio, me sorry. Me really and truly apologize for this inconvenience, for what the trouble that it may put you through, you guys through, but me take Nicky from, me take Kenny's from for a couple days straight, and I see a couple days straight, she now come out. She lock up in her house, me hold her hostage, tear up all her foot them, tear up her hand them, blind, if not blindfold her and give her 50 Shades of Grey the right way. Start a movie. Me know my fans them would have watched that if me start a movie them. Me know G officer not door and watch that, told me I deal with him. I say, yo, how are you with that new man, sir? You with that? And he couldn't do it because I'm lock up the house, he could have bring in 1,000 guns on me in a business. I will bring in 4,000 security with higher gun than fear. For sure, sir. Me have to brief up my security have to depend on the God. Sorry, Gio, but me have to knock that one day. Knock. Ken, me sorry, but if you give me a chance, me I breed and send the picnic to you and Gio. Yeah. I will send the picnic to you and Gio. Me sorry, Ken, but I would breed it right now. When me done breed you, you're supposed to breed at 5 times and at 1 time I come and you come release now. Knockings! Yo, me tell you, say, yo, Ken, 16 of them, you wonder where man get the woman from, brother. You see, all them women who see me, when me tell you, say, yo, me want breed, best believe it. To know, best believe it. And you see, all them, the whole of them, I'm sure the all them can't take backers, brother. The whole of them can't take backers, dog. You see me, so I pick the best, set them, a whole it more when we want, you know, put to the test now, but they want to pass the test because I have put them on the test so because I don't see them up, them pass the test a long time. You see me, they don't have the accomplishment for the test a long time. You see me, so I put them on the back as right. You all of them there, where you see me showing up on the phone screen, all of them want to put on the back as well. 24/7, non-stop, 24/7, 48, 9. I'm like a thing there, you see me? How was my tell that? Days, probably a months to me and the mail there and not come out. You see me? Me make me house up in there and not come out. Yes, man. Make me up in there, man. Make me yard there too. Nobody can trespass unless me give them, not even the owner we own them woman here. Can trespass when time I done. Them have to wait till me pass through my yard first before they can come. They can't come through my yard first and me not pass through my yard first. When you get to me, I say, when you get it? Yeah. When you get it? Yeah. So all them little girl here, backers. You see me? So guys, thanks for watching. I have come to the end of this next video. I realize I don't like the last video, so I'm going to do some video similar to this last video on the drop. You understand me, people? So if you guys reach this far in the video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You understand? And if you can share in them stories, spam up them story section, spam up them DM section. You see, make them know say, yo, me personally, I come take them from them, man, no matter how loyal them be. My love, my lyrics, my time, I go do for them time, all them do for get them woman there. You see me? So I want to share it to them people, share it. And if they want to come shoot off my door, then come. You see me? Me just want to put a one knock on them woman. You get me? So guys, thanks for watching. It's your boy Kim. Hit the notification bell for more videos like this one because I don't know, I always come up with banger. I will drop video phone every week or every 5 days. You understand? So you can get time for rewatch it, you can get time for share it, you can get time for do anything you want with this video. You see me? So thanks for watching, guys. It's your boy Kim and out.